Hey, welcome back. I'm going to make a Ric Rac uh, braided lei here. I'm going to use this golden yellow Ric Rac ribbon. So I'm essentially using three spools just because when you do a typical braid, you have three tails. So it makes it easier to not have to guess how long you want. I'm just going to start working. It is a typical braid, even though it's got this kind of jagged edge angles to it. It folds flat pretty well on itself. So you're going to continually take the ribbon and you're going to fold it on top, the outer alternating outer edges, folding it to the middle, keeping the ribbon flat. Now, the one challenge with this lei is because it is kind of the angled edge on the ribbon, it does get tangled easily, and it's quite difficult to start with. It is like you could see here. I'll take one tail of the ribbon and continually pull it out to try and keep it detangled. You want to do this quite frequently at the start of the sleigh, because as you go, it'll get more tangled and it's more difficult to maneuver the tails. So you can see I'll continually pull the thread or the ribbon out to help detangle. You're going to do this for the entire length of the lei. Now for this lei, I'm actually going to be pairing it with another lei. And so I want to make this really long. So approximately, I think total length was almost like 7 feet long is ultimately what I made. This lei looks good if you do a multi-strand lei. So you do like 2 or 3 strands of this, it makes a really nice look. I'm going to leave it unfinished because, like I said, I'm going to pair this with a different lei. But you can simply knot the end and hide it with a bow, or you can try and kind of glue it together if need be. But again, I'll leave it unfinished. Keep an eye out for my second video where I pair it together. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.